Hello everyone, it's me, Nori, and we're playing Slime Lancer. Slime Lancer. I forgot where I left off last time. It's been how long? Oh, the message. I guess that's gonna be the personal check. Weird. Alright, delete everything. Here we go. Let's go read that message. And then I'm gonna try and remember what I was doing last time. Before this. Oh, now I remember. Liquid. Wake up. Wake up. No. Good. Muy bueno. Muy bueno. Let's just read the message now. Victor, Humphreys, and Bob. Let's go. Ah, Beatrix. I was cleaning out the lab and found this. Perhaps you have some use for it. I believe it's still in working order. You know what they say. One person's trash is another person's hastily issued gift. Enjoy. Ribbon streamers. The Bob. Hello, human person. Yoki. Yoki plus chicken. Chicky. Yoki doki? Huh? No clue what that's about. Let's look oh, not look map. Okay. It's going here, and it's going here. Very good. Nope, that's working. Let's check the map. Try to explore more over here. Seems like there's something to explore if you look at it that way. There's some slimes that interest me like you right now. Same thing over here. Oh, same thing over here. Is it that slime, that really interesting. So it's crystal slime. They what do the crystal slimes like? Crystal slimes, they like odd onions. Huh. I think I can get like one more yolk egg. Yolk egg slime. So I'm gonna go in here and use this marker from you. Change it. Then I know where to go. In this journey. This odyssey, one could say. Did they use the word odyssey right? I don't know. So I'm gonna hope that lasts. Yep, that lasted. Onward! Haha, imagine. Now be gone. Now, be gone. Be gone. Alright, well, I can't pick it up. There you go. Be gone. Can't pick them up for some reason. I went the wrong way. So we're gonna go this way. So then I can go this way. Down into the abyss. Not abyss. Then into the portal. Loop. There we go. Like that. Now, in order to get there, I have to go through this way. No, I can go through this way as well. Right, so I gotta go through here. Okay. More work to me. Climb. Oh crap. By there. On to this. And I fell off. Let's see what I can do. Oh god. Be gone. Did it die? No, it didn't. Okay. Fly over here. Fly over here. And I'm lost now. Go like that. Where in the world is... Oh, I'm facing the wrong way. Okay. Go this way, and that's the way this leads, okay? That's that right there. And then from... Let's see it. Oh, can I make that though? I cannot, there's no way. Yeah, that much distance takes up that much energy. That's too much distance for too little energy. Alright, now let's fly. Crash shot. Nothing good. Now I fly. Lay this all over here. Perfect. Swap. And just grab this. Look, I'm missing something, but I'm not. Damn hard slime. Is there... Come on, get you. Oh, I expect there to be at least one yolk slime. Right? I expect there to be at least one. But apparently there's zero. Let's do that. More some arrows. Oh, I can explore this area, but it's just I need to feed you first. And I don't have the stuff I need to feed you, so I guess we'll have to go to here. And I guess who can we feed? That's chicken. So where's that? Up there. Oh, there. Okay. Let's go on over there. How do we get over there? Simple. We have flight. Via flight is the way to get everywhere. I think I have to just go this way. So then I... Oh, well that... No. Is that then? My thinking... Almost died. So is there any way to choose my way? Right here. Fly on this tree. So I can fly here. Which counts as a landing spot. So I can fly again, up here this time. Drop down a bit, up here. Water slide. Golden flutter statue, okay, cool. Let's roll it then. Yeah, fly in here. I can then fly up here. And go there, and what's this? Nothing I want, okay. Then land here. Collect this real quick. And then, okay, I'll just go here. Up. Oh, we're still moving. Collecting everything. Just gonna go around, collect everything that leaves. Just everything using here, it shall eat. For eating is the host to eating more, and eating more means everything more. The more I earn, the better it is for me. Is it you? No, I'm down. Really? Ha! Be gone! Be gone, foul beast. Let's look for... You know what? I'm gonna cut this part out. And I'm gonna return when it's nighttime, and I'm just gonna return when that damn logo is dead. Finally, yes! Nothing cool. Actually, I'll keep you. This place will have a lot of electrical activity. Guess I'm just gonna go home then. Now without going through here first, because it's dropping, the lightning is dropping this stuff, and this stuff seems valuable and rare. Nothing. Okay. Not even guaranteed. I guess I can stay here until the night is over. I'm just gonna cut back when the fucking storm is over and I'm home. I'm home and I've got this, and a butt ton of this. I sadly had to leave the... I sadly have... Please? Oh, gravity. They do. Guys, I sadly had to leave the chicken behind because this is important, most likely. Just jump all of this in here. All of it. Nothing is left behind. Let's see. Yes, blue, yep, ribbon. Oh wow, whatever. Well, that's expensive. Love that, I just need deep brine and a silky sound. I just need strange diamond and silky sound. I have this, I just need hunted for it. Okay. Let's go read that new message. Look, all the foods. Get the feeling that my slime's like to be hungry. Just grab this. Grab that. Oh, there we go. And there we go. Here, place all of this in there. I don't even think I have to check it. Probably. Huh. Well, 30. Oh, how much? So that's 24. There you go. Place it all in there. Now I go on over here to the pomegranate. And just collect some pomegranates. And these pomegranate monkeys, they eat pomegranates. Over here. Dump that in. Alright. There we go, run all the way to these guys. Oh, this is the mango figs, the mint mangoes. Oh, over here. This is a lot of chickens. Yeah, let's just feed these guys. There you go, they're all fed. Do you see any more upgrades? Levels, nope, they got everything. These don't. This one doesn't have upgrades if I remember correctly. Yep, no upgrades to buy. Go ahead and start collecting all the friggin' forts then, and sell. There you go. That was that. I thought it was 20, but I couldn't. I forgot. Oh, there you go. Let's go for some more forks. Over here. And down right here. No more. Over here. And just. Yeah. Sell everything. Sell. Grab that. Sell. Right here. Grabbing all of this, I can sell. See? There we go. Alright. Going over here. Grab. Money. One more. Grab. Money. Oops. There we go. Beautiful numbers. Not sell. Sell them all. Make you rich. For $20,000. Move yourself at the sand. Alright, go over here. Grab these ones. Yeah, 13. This one has some milk for some reason. Yeah, I don't have milk for some reason. That. There you go. Now I can read the message. Oh, it's from 3 of them. Oh, boo. I got you a gift because I don't know. Because I don't know. I don't know. I hope you like it. Where is it? Or don't. Whatever. Violet Swirl Shroom. Okay. Oregon Orcs. What up, Beatrix? It's good to see you. I do hope you've been taking care of yourself out there. Taking time to fill your belly before every new descent into the unknown. Also, I understand that the plot has thickened like a good sauce, and you've encountered some kind of montholic structure out there on that on the far end of the island. Scary stuff. But then maybe my hunch is correct that all the strange flora there is not natural. Something just doesn't add up here, Beatrix. All the ruins we've discovered across the far range have never looked at as though they have harmed the environment in any way. Sure, we don't know their purpose or who built them, but the feeling I always had was that they had respect for this world. But maybe it happened anyway. Sometimes when you're out hiking, you step over a flower so as to not crush it, only to step in another. Sometimes the only way for those flowers to keep on growing is for you to have never been near them in the first place. But it's not all doom and gloom. Rainbow Island still seems to be thriving for now. Nature can find balance, but it's not a guarantee. Ah, look at the time. Getting peachy on you. Lo siento. Beatrix, I won't keep you. I don't know what you'll find beyond those walls, but I trust your boots in any garden. I know you'll do what's right. Good luck, Beatrix. Alright. Hi there, Bee. I wanted to give you something nice, so I tried making cookies, but baking ain't exactly my area of expertise. Hobson said they were so edible. Anyway, I brought you something instead. Hope you like it. Pink mangrove. That's it. Alright, I think that's where I'm gonna leave it off for today. Let's see, where do I go? Where do I go? Sure. Well, everybody, that's the end for today. I hope you all have a good, hold on. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for today, everybody. Take care of yourself, seek the help you need, and overall, just have a good one. Bye-bye!